Sikhs from the 14th of the 8th month of 1446. Who needs to be allied to religion beyond that of the great immortal? Who needs initiation beyond princess and lion rebels? Expression comes through generations about the eternal. Hymns ring through with poems. In more than those 5,894 compositions for the individuals, weapons are the true saints to manifest the souls. Union frees us in the summation resulting from the sacrificial for the creeds and selections. For now, the presence and twilight movement of alleged revelation forms the temple of guiding. And that poem is about the Sikhs, who have 5 pillars, you could call them. They believe in the one immortal being, so one God. They believe in 10 gurus. The Guru Granth Sahib, which is the maintaining guidance, as you could call it. And there are some teachings and traditions outside of that about the 10 gurus. And the Amrit Sankar is an initiation that continues to be passed on. Singh is a lion, and Kaur is a princess. And there are other names, I guess, that could set the Sikhs apart, but that is more central. And one of the points for a true Sikh is that they're not in alliance to any other religious system as far as, they don't have any obligations. And they're known for their uncut hair kept in a turban to cover it up, usually. Their iron or other metal bracelet, a dagger. Nowadays, it tends to be, more symbolic than functional. Underwear and a wooden comb, because back in the day, wearing underwear wasn't common. So someone wore underwear, they might be a Sikh. And there are certain, as I said, there are certain other names that distinguish things that they've, jobs that their ancestors had. And so the scripture, the only thing you need for the temples to have a full set of scripture available. And that scripture will move at least to the next room or something in the evening and in the pre-sunrise morning. And they believe in reincarnation, but the point is that in this life, you get freedom. And that freedom has been made possible through what others have had to do. Not that this is vicarious, but your actions are possible because others have made actions to, get us the teachings that we've gained freedom, etc., etc. So I write this poem as something other than a Sikh. I've encountered Sikh inspired, as they call it, groups. Influence is probably a better term for it. I've encountered a Sikh temple that I used to go by, never went in. And one of the interesting things about the group is they keep weapons in the presence of their scripture. And, there's not really the narrative that you expect from most things.